allsports e ko mbedi mo kura bi kura e bre bra e se bari wo bia no otam kutu say de ne pa e bro from 30 so e mo isiri mu nkan sim bia ye fabricate story bia wa ha story bia ba bia ne from original source and so you can face out we Kotoko we Hasofuku we bia na ba bia ra team bia support bia no ye be bo mo de anse e benya ho nsem bari bia news no bia so no na ye dia bro ma so what de koso
abusafo ye mo bia kwa ba e de ba Daakyehene Kwaku TV so enedue ebre aso se ye de agukanse mu nsem ebre mu o Daakyehene Kwaku TV so intentem so ye be sha se free gaka aso ye Ghana League Club Association na ma wuru fi se o mo organize top 4 tournament ani na he ani na nsana Kotoko atwe ne ho free mu esanse na board no agu management so afiri ho ntina otumfo e de AMC aba ntina man totoye no adile kakra ntima akro bia kuma Asante Kotoko atwe mo fi top 4 no enti hu de ekosiye de tie ya ne se Gaka chairman e de abeto dwa se we regret to announce the cancellation of this year's Gaka top 4 tournament due to circumstances beyond our control. We na nkofo busa ne se adaye Kotoko free mu ntina ama nei Major top 4 no bwana was say our decision to cancel Gaka top 4 has got nothing to do with Kotoko. Are we saying if Brazil failed to qualify for the World Cup, FIFA will not organize it in Samoa? Could you fiano or no ye Gaka chairman edu tuja e wo Shira Power Sports so ye twaso Kotoko sen semuna Abdul Ghazali has asked for mutual termination of his contract. Remember we say they just ended Premier League course no na Kotoko coach ya odo manu ya Abdul Ghazali enei or pese mo terminating the contract with club ya no so dey na chire ba bi fufuro no okoto aso e wo na abrabo so eno so e wo honoma sesi na yenya nteze Henry Ansu awe brekum Chelsea player defender yi enei wa be sign contract enfie miensa e de ma club ya kuma Asante Kotoko and the personal terms ina no mpanifo agree eno so nsemo a efri ho eba na ma won fi say Asante Kotoko have permanently transferred 26-year-old Ghanaian midfielder Mudasiru Salifu to newly promoted side Saudi First Division side El Bukaya FC. Tene se chiremudia na Mudasiru onkane no ya midfielder kesipa de makrobia no ene wakopiem e Saudi Arabia odi team foforo ekosi akan ho ne krobia aton no e de na ma o eno so nsemo a efri ho ba. The interim management committee AMC ane omohwe krobia so no dia yetini na se oma clear 4 months salary bia na ye di players ne kan yentua ye beka pass management no eja kabitu wa na yentua ye 4 months no oma clear 5 months de so e wo mo so no oma clear oma tua players ne nyina eka edi ama omo ye no so ne nsemo a eno so efiri wo ba no fi Monday ai ba ye 7th August krobia kuma Asante Kotoko ehye preseason ase 7th August ye preseason no wo sha se a nei omukopi mo beposo na campaign no atimi akoso e wo hono me no so nsemo a efiri oba samolinkum na yekobusa ne se dachi bia na yehwe ni mu se oba be ye coach ana wo se won de coach de coach sensem de ni team so na wodi kan say wo se I said to myself that I will not be a coach and I can never be a coach. And I'm saying this because it is not every player who play football who can be a coach. There are a lot of things in football that players can also do apart from coaching. It is not always that when you are a legend, you are supposed to be a coach. No. You can do scouting. You can also learn player management and stuff. And this is what I want to do. I want to help the young ones when I go into player management because we have a bunch of potentials in Ghana, but they need a good platform to also show their talent. And so someone Samolinkum and so editudja Thomas Tepati akan sem kakra dia fa Mark Lesian na semo kanyina say he is a great legend. For me, he is one of the best midfielders that we have ever had in Africa. We have all seen what he has done at Chelsea, what he has done for Black Stars, and for me, he is my idol. And so someone Thomas Tepati eka edefa Mark Lesian ho say Nigeria for man ko piem or FIFA 2023 World Cup na sika ese FIFA dema Nigeria players no mano the FIFA kan nyina say obe transfer ama Nigeria players na man direct isan say or trust issue be for Nigeria no sense semwa no so free oba no as no de ye papa nti ye toaso na ye toaso bet power Premier League fixtures no abetodwa bet power Premier League 2023-2024 season no fixtures no abetodwa se sia ye say ye saka week 1 no say in case September duro na ye start here say na fixtures no be ye mediama ebetena fie atwen Accra Lions Lagos City zubetena fie atwen Karara United Red Tamale United zubetena fie atwen Hasofu nso Atreman betena fie atwen Bechem United FC Samates 1996 betena fie atwen Aduana FC Dimses zubetena fie atwen Nations FC Asante Kotoko zubetena fie atwen House of Lions Gate Olympics zubetena fie atwen Bofo Akwatano ena Brukum Chelsea zubetena fie atwen BBN Gold Stars just here first 5 features in a crobia abetena fie atwen Heart of Lions obeko Gold Stars akobo away obesa trafie ne Karela edi atentam so obesa akwa Accra ne Accra Lions edi akobo mu ho no obetena fie ene aduana enso so edi abetentam so tiwa hwe akrobia points sen no obetimi accumulate wo ho edi amaye ene die anda cheni Kwaku edi mbesi e oda cheni Kwaku TV so obaso no nya subscribe ya oda ma na subscribe e video na se share video no send them out for until then stay focused and stay blessed. I love you all.